now we're going to have some breakfast first. Then we'll be off to the hanging bridge, the falls, the beach. Para payat mamaya.
Beach body lang. Kaya dito unang dinadala para mamaya beach body.
Kaya po.
Dun sa may Our Lady, sobrang tarik niya, tapos sobrang taas na.
Hi guys! So now we're at the top of the Ermita Hill, and I'm gonna tell you there's nothing in here except for that big ass cross over there, and there's supposed to be an overlooking view of the Pacific Ocean, but I can't see much. Can't see much of it, so I just tired myself out. Basa lang yung kilikili ko. Exercise bago mamaya. Ano? Baba na tayo? Pagod pa rin. Yay! Finally made it down! And here's the scene sa bandang medyo base ng Ermita Hill. Here's the sign. There's here. Janet, I heart Ermita Hills. There's like a field here for maybe cars. Here, cars. So now we're off to. Saan tayo next? We're off to see the statues. See the line with the with the sky, with the sea. Oh my gosh, it calls me. Oh no. Ayun yung beach kahapon.
Doon siguro, Fred. Doon o.
Hanggang saan? So these statues show how people survive tsunami. We're now at the hanging bridge, and it looks like this. Ito ba yung estuary na nakita natin kanina? Yung ito yon. White sand. White rocks. Corals. Neat. I'm one of those people who gets tan easily, but the sun. The rocks look like charcoal. Large pieces of charcoal. Look at may chocolate dito. I'll get it later. Undisciplined people. Feels like a tiny pool right there. I could just take a shot. Alam ko na nangyari, pero shit. Sarili-speak up. Oh my God. Gusto ko pa ng ice cream. Ice cream. It's just 10 pesos. I made friends. Water! Oh! Jumping fishies. There are jumping fishies. Fishies. This is what I'm scared of. There might be like scary things in the water. See those jumping fishies. Fishy! They're jumping from rock to rock. I don't think they're fishes at all. So we're now here at the Kaunayan Falls Amatorio Resort. Yay!